Good morning. It is Wednesday, November 2nd. The market's about to open. We'll take a pause. Okay, we still show strong up on the big charts. So we'll wait to see if we reverse at the deeps or break through today's high. We'll take a pause. The small charts are showing some pretty strong sideways interaction. Could be coiling. Again, we should be moving up. Here we go. Volumes are coming in strong. We're now to the deeps on the short fib. A little bit of a head and shoulders going here. Coming to resistance on 41.81. We'll pause for a setup. Okay, I placed the mark at the high that was tapped yesterday. Right here at 728.5. That's a possible pivot point. Showing a pretty strong down on 610 from above, curling over on 987. Let's take a pause. Okay, we're tapping on the 23 fib. Still showing strong down on 610. Curling over on 987. This could be a legitimate short. Coming to a pinch on the 144 piece. Coming to the rail on 610. We still haven't broke. Okay, we broke through the 23. Could bounce on that 987. $10K showing up on the rail. See how we're doing for divergence. Pretty strong down indicators. Probably missed that move. We're tapping on the 38. Could have reversal there. pause. It's looking like a lazy flag pattern. It's kind of curling over. Implies that it's going to bounce. Maybe at the 50. Put a marker there. It'll give me an alert if it comes by the 50 in case I'm sleeping. Wow, we got like a 4 bottom here. Resistance. See if it'll break through. Yep, she broke through. Now one thing we've been seeing is reversals just before the fib, so we want to watch out for that too. Still showing down, strong down on the mid-sized charts. 987 coming to bottom Bollinger Band, possible resistance. We had some good news this morning on ADP non-farm employment change is up about 20,000 from the previous and 8,000 over forecast, so that was pretty good news. Let's pause. Okay, I'm resetting my fib based on leaving out this lonely bar. Seems to be recognizing this 38 could be a sign that that's more accurate. If that's the case, we may well be going up to from the 50 to the 23. 610 still shows down. 987 coming down, but inside the rail. Got a bull flag on 1597 and up, still up on the big chart, so could have a foot forming on 233. The Dow started way down, over 100 points today, so that's a hint that we could be in for a roller coaster. Or rather a difficult day. Let's pause. Looks like we got a bounce down on 610. That's indicator to me of more down. Let's pause. I take back my comment on the Dow. It started up about 50 points and then rose quickly, so it's less ominous of information. The market is moving down, breaking that previous small pivot. Could come down to the 76 fib for reversal. Could be getting a foot forming on 233. Got nice separation underneath 377. Kind of a bounce off of 610 that indicates more down to me. Inside the rail on 697. $698. Okay, we still strong up on the big charts. So let's see if we can make it down to this area. Got an alert that will play just in case I'm dozing. Could bounce off of this 61 also. Okay, here we go. We're coming down to potentially down to the 76. The foot's getting kind of long on 233. We have a 2-bar reversal here. I think that's a head fake. Getting some divergence now with upward pressure from the BBs. Got decent volume, moving down a little bit. Getting separation under 610. Let's pause. Okay, we got a strong up on 233 foot formation. 610 is still not buying it. Could have a mid-band push here too, except we got upward pressure on price. Now there's just not enough going on yet to place a trade with confidence for me. Let's try a trend line. Hi, kitty. Okay, could have a bounce here on 377. Help us with more down. Too late for that. Take a pause. Okay, there's a mid-band push opportunity, but I don't feel comfortable with it. Okay, we're approaching the 76. Okay, we're underneath on 377. I want to remind myself that a lot of times we're not getting all the way to the area on reversals lately. Either that or I'm not calculating fibs correctly. That's a possibility. Got a pretty solid declining market here. Slow but sure. Let's pause. Okay, we have a nice move up. Let's recalibrate our fibs here.
Okay, does this look like...
Hang on, baby. Okay, we could have a good foot forming on 610. We're still showing strong down though on 987. So that doesn't bode well for a good foot. Came back down to the deeps on this retracement. Let's look at it this way. Here's a 3-bar. I could have a mid-band push right here. Volumes are just barely adequate. 50, dual bar. BB's still showing up. Now that foot on 610 is looking promising. But 987 says no. Plus that 610 is right at center line, so we got all kinds of pinches and feet going on. That 4181 looks like more up to me. Okay, coming up to an area. Put alert there. I don't know if my alerts are working. Okay, that 610 foot still looking good, but 987 says no. Okay, let's pause. Here we had a bit of an opportunity. A lot of resistance right there. But not in an area. I guess you can say that we took a 38 and reversed, but that's not an area. Came back down to 61. Now we may be heading up to 23. See if we get a ding. I'd like to hear a ding for a change. Okay, we got strong up. Getting a little separation now on 987. $15.97 could easily turn up. Alright, there we go. I didn't get a ding. Alright, we got a double top here. Possible close over 23. There we go. We're still in the area. resistance on the 610 foot. Could be a 2-bar reversal here. Matched it at a triple top. $41.81 says coming down. We punch through. Got a lot of buying pressure right now. Six tens inside the rail or on the line. Seen this pattern before. I think it's a short opportunity. Okay, we're placing a trade here. Got a bulge forming on 233, maybe 377. Okay, this is a telling period right now. If we're going to punch through this little dumb here, little support. Got a little upward momentum. Let's see if we can wait that out. Nope, got stopped out. Okay, so I got taken out on a pullback that I thought was a reversal. Still thinking short is the opportunity here, but might be wrong. Okay, we're going to try it again. C610 curling around and down. Momentum is, I believe, to the downside. 4181 has come inside the rail. Mm, 610 is showing sideways on its lower Bollinger. Doesn't bode well. $9.86 687 showing down on his upper Bollinger. Got a target down here at this double bottom. I'm going to leave that. Okay, we made a little progress here. Showing pretty strong down on 233. Nice strong BB on 377. 610's going sideways right now. I need to see him curl down. Okay. Okay, we're back up to scratch. Hopefully that's a little retracement. I'll be going back down. A real strong sideways indication on 610. That's not too comforting. Back to scratch again. See if we can get through that mid-band on the Keltner. A lot of sideways. Got some separation on the 10K. I think we're chugging down here slowly. Okay, we got some downward momentum. There we go. See if we can break through this previous. Okay, we did that. I'm going to close this out if we go too much further because this dance is a little tiring. Back to scratch. Okay, what do we got? Going pretty much sideways on 610. Getting some separation on 987. Just kind of easing down on 1597. Have come inside the rail on 4181. Got some separation on the 10K. Got some upward pressure on price. Seem to be kind of in a channel. Alright, and I got taken out. That's 2 gifts today. That'll be my trading for today. And see you tomorrow.